Last super quick lesson that I want to talk about are JavaScript's built-in methods and functions. JavaScript has a kind of a tool set built into it where you can kind of manipulate strings or numbers. And what I mean by that is, let's do a demo. We'll do variable sky is equal to blue, and we've just declared this. Nothing's happening. But what if we wanted to, let's just write it to the document so we can see it. We wrote it to the bottom. And you can do we can manipulate this string with JavaScript. For example, we want to do sky to uppercase. So now sky, the variable sky, is equal to sky. And this is a built-in JavaScript thing to turn it to uppercase letters. It's going to turn the string to all caps blue. Let's now move it back to lowercase with another helper function. And you can kind of get the idea how you can manipulate these strings. If you can think of it, it probably exists. And what I mean by that is, what if I wanted to get the first character only of the string? That's a pretty random request, but it is something you might want to do. So if you wanted to do that, you could just Google search, get first character of string, JavaScript, and there's probably going to be something that exists for it. If we go to Stack Overflow, it looks like there is something that exists. It's a built-in method. So we could do sky character at 0, which just is the first item. And if we log this or we write it to the document, hopefully that is just the letter B. And let's hit save. Oh, you guys see I didn't assign the value. So we go sky is equal to character at 0. It turns to just the letter B. Keep that in mind. You're going to come across some of these down the road that you probably haven't seen before, but that's all those are. And keep it in mind when you're doing your searches and you're kind of manipulating your own data down the road.